Alright guys, this is the actual unboxing of this thing. The Apex 4 controller special edition gift box. And usually I'd be using this knife, but because I don't want to damage the box, I looked around and found this cutter, which is also why there was some delay in making this video, and also because I was eating. So yeah, I'm gonna be super careful. I think that much of an incision is enough. Came out easy. You guys are probably gonna want to hear this, so I'll try and a little bit of ASMR there. Oh my god. It smells incredible. It smells freaking incredible. Okay, I got a little peek and I saw this guy holding the thing together. I wonder if there's one. No, there isn't. Nice, it just came off without needing to cut it. Oh, and you can see like there's texture to this box. These things are, I believe it's called endorsed, not sure, or embossed. I don't know what the word is. Anyways, yeah, it's the box. Inside is the controller. Okay, I put that on the top there. So sweet. Yep, it's like a really nice shade of pink. It's I think it's the Sakura pink. That seems to be the recurring theme. And there it is. The big reveal. Okay, wow. Holy shit. They packaged it so well. Even the foam smells nice. Okay, I'm gonna take out the accessories first because they're just easier to take out. Whoa, okay, this has some weight to it. This is nice. Damn. I saw some reviews on the internet talking about this dock and not giving it too much credit, calling it mid. So I was a bit skeptical on if I really should spend some extra money and get the whole gift set. And I'm glad I did because my god, this thing is nice. I don't know why it's getting so much shade, but I love the design. I love the colors. There's a little fox. There's a little fox here. Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. I don't understand why people are giving it backlash. The fuck? Well, whatever. I love it. And this is the little charm thing. Let's see. I'm trying to be super careful because I do not want to damage any of the packaging here. It's absolutely freaking beautiful and I would like to keep it that way. Wow, even this is slightly textured. It's amazing. It's actually amazing. Okay. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Okay, the string just came right off. But the actual charm is push. There we go. Oh wow. Okay, this is crazy. Holy. Yeah, it's got some nice weight to it. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. It's got these smooth letters. Again, I think it's laser engraved, but the metal itself is matte, and I don't know if you can hear the sound of it, but yeah, it's beautiful. I love it. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that away for now. It's crazy. You know what, just put it back in the box, yeah. No use having it out there. Okay, it's in the box. Yeah, the plastic, I'll throw it away later. This is the controller itself. Oh, I believe this is the stickers. Very nice packaging. It's like unboxing a phone or some sort of Apple product. They usually do these stickers. My god. I love these. You know what? Yeah, it's not gonna work. Foam, you're up. I love these because they have this transparent sort of like sticky material, and you only see the sticker. The attention to detail, my god, I'm impressed. Yeah, I'm gonna put these away. Oh yeah, this also comes with, so this is like getting ahead of myself right now, but I'll tell you guys what this is for later in the unboxing. Gonna put the other stuff away nicely. Back in the box. Okay, I'll move the box away and get the controller in focus. Okay, it's got a little tape on the side. Alright. Yeah, this is really, really well made. Okay. I love the texture. It feels very premium. It definitely exceeds my expectations because it's not, you gotta realize this is not a first party controller from, say, Sony with their PlayStation controllers or Microsoft with their Xbox controllers. And this also doesn't cost as much. Actually, depending on where you get it from, it might cost more or less than the first party equivalents of this. So seeing this sort of material and it's like sturdy, it's definitely protective, and the shape of it, very well designed, very well thought out. And oh my god, that is smooth. This is it. This is the controller itself. Even that is wrapped in plastic. Yeah, Flydigi has gone above and beyond with the wrapping and presentation. My god, this is phenomenal. It feels phenomenal. That's the only words I can use to describe it. It's awesome. It's like nothing I've ever held before. And I've had an Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. I've played with that a little bit. I haven't tried the Edge from PlayStation side of the house, but geez, holy shit, this is... Okay, it's the clicky sound. Feels like I'm using a keyboard. All the buttons are nice and tight. The joysticks. These are hands down the best joysticks I've ever touched. My god. They are smooth. And yeah, I'm not trying to glaze this controller, alright? I'm gonna pull up my previous controller. This is the Mamba 1. This is what I used before. Well, this is what I have been using up until this point. And it's got a little screen on it, so... And by no means is this a cheap controller. It costs, I think, around $70 US or 80. Yeah, the good part is it does come with a dock, which is also subpar compared to what Flydigi has. But yeah, the sticks are loose, bro. Well, to be fair, I have the trigger stops on. It doesn't feel bad by any means, but these buttons feels especially cheap. All of them. And then there's this back of the controller. It is also premium feeling, but this just blows it out of the water. Like, holy shit. The difference is immense. Oh yeah, and you may have noticed this little thing here, and these are interchangeable. So yeah, one with the sakura flower. I'm not sure if the camera is gonna pick it up. Yeah, we're also saying Yae Miko, and we can slide that in there, and we have 3 extras which we can sort of use this bride tool and customize and put whatever we want to put on there. So there's a little screen that's hiding behind this faceplate, and yeah, I will be showing you guys that. Popping off the joysticks. See this mechanism? It's amazing. So the special thing about these joysticks is that in just a second. Now, is it supposed to come off? Come on, come off. Okay. Wow. Yep, it's pretty tight. Oh, it's set at an angle. That makes sense. Very smart design. Alright, so from what I'm told, this is a faceplate that's magnetic and can be taken off. The magnets feel super strong, so I'm going to try my best to not scratch anything here. Okay, came off on that side. The other one. Okay, yeah, that's satisfying. And there's a little screen. It shows, in idle mode, it shows any GIF you put there. I believe because this is the Yae Miko edition, it comes with a special GIF. Let's see if I can turn it on. Ship with some battery. Oh, there you go. Lights up. Super pretty. Yeah, it's just gonna tell you some status information on the screen. Things you need to know when you're using the controller. But the special part about this controller, which separates it from everything else on the market, is this little part that you can use to adjust the tension here. And right now I think it's pretty tight. Yeah, I'm actually happy with the settings they gave me. I don't want to tighten it too much because I have heard that there's incidents of this controller, rather the joystick modules, breaking if you tighten it too much because there's no inbuilt stops. And I mean, I get what they're trying to do there, but yeah, there's a risk. And yeah. Anyways, with the faceplate on, this screen just disappears and it feels like a part of the controller. Well, it was part of the controller before too, but it feels like a part of this little pink sort of like theme here on the faceplate rather than the controller itself, which is not the case with the Mamba 1. And the faceplate here, well, it can be taken off with the joysticks on. not anymore because I put some control freaks on it. But yeah. Sorry, controller. This feels very flimsy and cheap. Doesn't have the frosted texture that Apex 4 does. And without this screen, the controller does not feel very premium. Like, I love being able to peek through and see what's behind, but it's simply not as satisfying as Apex 4. Also putting it back, that is satisfying, I will say. Got this guy here, this one here. Yeah. Overall, yeah, this is hands down the best controller I've owned. Feels so good to hold this in hands. It's insane. Okay. Oh wow, okay. This is crazy. So, remember how I said it's a bit tilted? And I think it's serving a purpose. Or maybe not. No, it's not. It can only be put this way. Man, those legs are so satisfying. Not trying to break stuff here. There we go. Yeah, there's no inbuilt trigger stops on this one, but you can adjust that in the software. I'm going to do that later. And this is it. This brings us to the end of this unboxing. Thank you for sticking around and watching. 17 minutes of little unboxing. Oh yeah, I guess it's not a complete unboxing unless I show all the other stuff. So it comes with a little dongle that can be plugged in USB-A ports. And by plugging that in, you can just bypass a Bluetooth connection. It essentially makes the controller inputs smoother and much faster compared to the Bluetooth mode, but none of my devices have any USB-A ports on them, so can't really use that. And then we got, oh, this is nice. I didn't know that. There's a little like Velcro here that keeps it safe and secure. Yeah, it's the cable. Nothing fancy. It's not even a braided cable. Kind of a letdown because you're spending all this money on the special edition and you just get a white cable like a standard, and it comes with USB-A. Come on, Flydigi, you could improve on this. Because I know the standard edition of this controller, it's not the special one, comes with a braided cable, and I would have liked to see a braided cable with pink and white accents to keep the Yae Miko theme. Even this guy, the dongle, could have been, you know, like pink with purple Flydigi logo or something like that, but I don't know if that's expecting too much. Anyways, now that brings us to the official end of this unboxing. Thank you for sticking around. I hope you guys enjoyed, and